Hello again. Sunnier and warmer weather is on the way across the UK by the end of this working week. Well, let's face it, the working week couldn't have started much more dismal and damp. A lot of cloud and rain out there today, but even today, some spots brightening up a little bit this afternoon. But here's the bigger picture. The UK is under there somewhere. This is how we started Monday. A lot of cloud and outbreaks of rain for most. Northern Scotland had some drier weather, but now that rain is pushing northwards. Some breaks in the rain across the Midlands, southern England and Northern Ireland also already showing signs of brightening up. So turning a bit brighter across England and Wales, but there'll still be bands of potentially quite heavy showers coming in here, and much of Scotland staying dull and soggy. That rain, once it's got to the far northeast, will last for most of Tuesday. Quite breezy as well, but if it does brighten up at all, temperatures could get into the low 20s. Now, there's the potential for some really quite heavy showers late afternoon into the early evening across parts of eastern England, so that's something that we're keeping an eye on. Meanwhile, the rain, as I said, once it gets to that northeast of Scotland, it lasts throughout the night, and the winds will start to get stronger here as well. Could get very, very gusty across the Northern Isles and the northeast of the mainland during the early hours of Tuesday morning. Elsewhere, it does turn a little bit drier and clearer spells developing as we go through the night, and temperatures dropping down to 12 or 13 Celsius generally. And for many, it will be a bright start to Tuesday. Should see quite a bit of sunshine over southeast England and the Midlands. Some showers for Northern Ireland, certainly plenty of showers for Scotland, and it's staying very wet across the far northeast. That rain really building up through the day. It's something we need to keep an eye on, and it is also very, very gusty here as well for Tuesday. Some showers at times over northern England, but much of southern Britain having a dry day on Tuesday, certainly a lot drier than Monday. There'll be sunny spells at times, but we will see quite a bit of cloud as well. A breezy day wherever you are with those very strong winds for the time of year across the far northeast, making it feel fresh. Certainly temperatures below average, generally speaking. We're looking at high teens at best, maybe squeaking into the low 20s. With a bit of sunshine, though, across the southeast, probably feeling a bit warmer compared to Monday. Plenty going on then as we go through Tuesday evening. That wet and windy weather persisting still across the far northeast. Still some showers in western Scotland, but otherwise largely dry. And that is the theme as we go through the rest of the week as well. That swirl of cloud in the far northeast from an area of low pressure, that's swinging away, allowing high pressure to move in. There's this weather fronts that will bring a bit of cloud and rain through the middle part of the week. But generally speaking, high pressure is taking over, and by Friday, it's really sitting across the UK. I'm going to show you that sequence again, but looking at the temperatures now. So we start with low pressure, and we start with north or northwesterly winds. But as that clears away during Tuesday, the high pressure moves in so that by the end of the week, as the high shifts to the east, southerly winds wafting up some heat. So temperatures could really start to rise by Friday especially. It might not last all that long, but a hot spell is on the way for most of us come the end of this week. So yes, after a wet start, it is turning drier. It will be becoming sunnier as well and hotting up also. As I said, if you don't like the heat, well, that heat is not expected to last too long, but plenty going on throughout this week. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest from the Met Office by following us on social media.